Hey guys, I'm Opie with Opie Photo, and I specialize in boudoir photography and also maternity and newborn. I'm located in Salt Lake City, Utah, so I'm actually about 20 minutes away from So Trendy, so I get all of my orders in like 24 hours, which is awesome. Anyway, so I got the August box right here and I'm ready to open it up, but I have to say it's very lightweight. It is a little bit more lightweight than I was expecting. So I have no idea what's in the box, but there has been some predictions on the color this month. Some people were saying purple, but then they were saying maybe it's a shade of green or an orange or maybe a yellow. So here we go. So this is what it looks like inside. And here we go. Look at that, guys. So someone was right. Okay, here's our card. See the card? Right there. And it's saying the colors for the month are camel, evergreen, agave, champagne, and ivory. And so it has this kind of southwest look to it. So here's our new color. Oh, I don't know what those are, but I'll unwrap these in just a second. And little things like that. Okay, so here's our lovely color. Right there. And I mean, I'm not sure if you see it. It's like a dusty mauve purple. Yeah, it's like a dusty purple. Okay, let me set the box down. Here we go. Okay, so here's our dress. And I can already tell it's fitted. So this is a fitted dress. And, woo, it has a side slit. So if you guys see that right there, that's our side slit right there. Gorgeous. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. And we have, I gotta sit down again. Okay, so we've got some little fashion things. Ooh, I love this color. This is pretty. Oh, this is gonna be really good. Okay, so this is it right here. So, this looks like some kind of a shirt shawl thing. I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see. I think it goes like this. Okay, does that look right? I think that looks right. What do? Do you go like off the shoulder with it? Ooh, I might wear this today. This is cool. Ooh, look at that. I like this color. This is like a very pretty like sand color. Like a beige. But I like this material a lot. Ooh, that's cute. Yeah, I think this is how it's supposed to be worn because of how it's structured here. And then of course you'd have your little, I mean, I'm not pregnant, but you know, a little bump right there. So that's cute. Take that off. Okay, let's see what other goodies we have. So I got these guys. And I got these two little things here. Let's see what they are. Ha! Wow. Look at that! Ooh, I love it! Now, we can wear these things, right, for ourselves? Because look at how cool that is. Okay, these boxes are way worth it because, like, I don't think I could come up with this stuff on my own. Even though have been doing this for a while, like, I don't know where to get accessories like that. I don't know where to get things like that to like put this whole thing together. Anyway, ooh, cool, look at that. Look at this bracelet. Oh yeah. It opens like this. I'm gonna take this piece off. So there's our bracelet. And this is a gold, and this is kind of a coppery gold. So these are this is the jewelry here. Oh, I love it. So excited. Okay. So basically that's the box. So we've got purple. Now the question is this purple gonna stick around, or is this only in the box for this month? Because this is pretty awesome purple. And I know some of you guys have been talking about adding an extra purple. But this is really pretty. Definitely really, really pretty. And this would be really good for if you got that newborn box, like a little baby girl. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, anyway, so that's what's in the box. So the next step is to shoot it. So anyway, there you go, guys.